So most of the energy that's actually available to life on this planet has come from the sun. And the way that we get it is through this circular path as shown on this slide. So the first thing that happens is that the plants absorb the sun's energy and they convert it to stored energy. And that's called photosynthesis. So what'll happen is that water, got to have water for those plants. And then we have carbon dioxide. That's just going to be in our atmosphere. The plant can convert those to make some organic compounds. And so what will happen with those organic compounds is actually going to store energy in there. Now, humans are going to take those organic compounds, so we're going to take plants and we're going to use oxygen, and we're actually going to form carbon dioxide. This is called a carbon cycle. So planets harness energy by consuming carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And then animals use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So we have this circular path that's going to occur. But it's not just humans exhaling or animals exhaling that add carbon dioxide to our atmosphere. We also have a problem with burning fossil fuels, and that's what this particular slide is supposed to show. This goes over what we call the carbon cycle, and it says global cycle where carbon has various storage locations, or they call the storage location sinks. So there's different places in our atmosphere. The hydrosphere, so the air, the water, the lithosphere is the ground, and the biosphere are your plants. And each of those areas can hold or contain, store carbon dioxides. Now, you can actually measure this amount, and it's measured in gigatons or billion tons at a time. This is a huge amount. And what we're seeing is that there's a net increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and in the hydrosphere. And this causes a lot of issues, as we're going to see. All right, quick question for you. Animals inhale what plants exhale and vice versa. Animals inhale what plants exhale and vice versa. What I was looking for this one is true. So the plants are going to inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon dioxide. The plants need the carbon dioxide and they get rid of oxygen, which again the animals need. The carbon cycle is the way in which carbon gets around the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, and which of the following? Now in the notes I actually gave you 2 more examples. This slide's just looking for one of those 2. So let's see our answers: the lithosphere, the troposphere, the stratosphere, and the thermosphere. Correct answer, the lithosphere. The troposphere, stratosphere, and thermosphere are actually different layers of the atmosphere. We haven't talked about those individually. The lithosphere is that thin outer layer of the Earth's surface.